welcome to the illegal garage. Sorry, it's been a few weeks since my last video. I'm gonna start doing some work on the Cobra today. I gotta permanently mount the roll bar so I can take it to the powder coating, so they can finish it, because I think the time to send the car for paint is coming pretty soon. So I haven't started the car in a few weeks, in a few months, because I gotta trim the exhaust, the body where the exhaust come out, because it's hitting every time I start the car and the engine shakes. It's hitting the body, so that's why I got that shield over there. So I still gotta do a little bit of trimming over there on this side so the exhaust doesn't hit. So let's try to start the car. First time in a few months. First we gotta turn on the battery disconnect. The infinity box is going through all its checks, making sure everything is working. Once that light is solid, that means the infinity already checked everything and everything is healthy. So we're gonna start the fuel pump. Fuel pump, clutch. I'm gonna start the car. It gets smoky in here, so that's why I don't start it too often. I'm gonna get a snake bite over here. I don't wanna get a snake bite. Oh man. Sounds good. So we're gonna work on the roll bar today. I gotta finish mounting. I'm gonna use quick release stainless steel pins going through the bars, because that bar needs to be taken out for paint. So I don't want to put bolts. It's gonna be a bigger paint to remove. So we gotta go get some of our supplies. I need a sharp drill bit. These are the pins I'm gonna use from McMaster. They are fully stainless steel. They're not gonna rust, they're not gonna corrode. They're like $20 each, so they're not cheap. So this should work okay. I'm gonna stop here. Gotta go to Menards to get a drill bit, a sharp drill bit, and we'll be right back. I already drilled a pilot hole on the down tube and the up tube. This is the sleeve that's gonna keep the rear leg on place. So now I'm gonna drill it with the 1/4-inch drill bit, which is the final size for the stainless steel pin. Now the top. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here, but that's the down hole, and the one on the upper tube. So technically, the pins should fit in there. They're supposed to fit tight so they don't come out. This one. The rear one is getting kind of stuck. That's good. That's how it should be. If there's no play on it, and it takes quite a force to take them out. So I think even if I just want to leave it like that forever, it should be okay. A lot of race cars use quick pins on their body parts. You see the pin on the back. So now we just gotta do the front legs of the roll bar. This one right here, and the other one is in the other side. So all the holes are drilled, I think, to the right side. So I'm gonna start putting the pins on all of them to see how they fit. There's the rear legs already pinned. Now the front leg. Sorry. Well, they're there. Pin on the lower, pin on the upper, a sleeve, and then the rear legs. I got a pin on the lower stud, pin on the upper rear leg, front leg of the roll bar, and as you can see, the sleeve is in the middle. The pin is going through both of them. And I don't know if you guys can see, it's too dark. Same over here on the other leg. 2 pins through the sleeve. So I just gotta remove the top pin on each leg and remove the 2 pins on the rear leg and pull the roll bar out so I can take it to the powder coated to get it powder to get it finish off. That's it for this project today, and I still gotta finish the fire suppression. Well, that's it for this project today. I'm gonna find something else to do right now. Probably, I know. The headlights turn signals. That if it's not too hot today, I'll probably try to do those two today. Sorry guys. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can quit my job and do this full time. Thank you very much. This is the Illegal Garage. Bye. Well, I lie. The video is not over. I'm here with my friends at CPC powder coating. I'm gonna see what options they have for my roll bar. I want some kind of a brush, aluminum finish, a brush, stainless steel, kind of matte, not shiny. So we'll see what they have to offer.